Place the device on a stable platform or ground. Press and hold the power button until the power indicator light comes on, and the device will automatically turn on. When the power indicator light and collection status indicator light remain green, it indicates that the startup is complete. At this time, you can long press the collection button until the collection status indicator light flashes green quickly. To complete the task creation, the project name is named according to the time. After the collection status indicator light flashes slowly, you can slowly pick up the device and start collecting data. During the collection process, if encountering a position that needs to be marked, one should slowly squat down, aim the GCP pointer at the desired location, then press the collection button, and start marking. After finishing the counting, slowly get up and continue collecting. After the collection is completed, place the device on the ground or platform, and long press the collection button until the collection status indicator light flashes quickly. To end this collection, the collection status indicator light is constantly on, indicating that the result has been saved. At this time, you can press and hold the power button until the power indicator light flashes to turn off the device.